Good morning, boys. Boys, I'm your social science teacher, Pushkar Somani. Today we will start the lesson 7 from our past 3. Chapter name is Weavers, Iron Smelters, and Factory Owners. In this chapter, you can see the pics of the trading ships on the part of Surat in the 17th century. In this chapter, I tell the story of the crafts and industries of India during British rule, focused on two industries: textiles and iron and steel. The industrialization of Britain had a close connection with the conquest and colonization of India. In 18th century, India was a leading nation in terms of crafts and trade. But with industrial revolution, Britain came to known as workshop of the world. With the growth of industrial production, British industrialists began to see India as a vast market of their industrial products, and over the years, manufactured goods from Britain began flooding India. In this, Indian textiles and the world market, around 1750, India was the world's largest producer of cotton textiles. India textile was renowned both for its fine quality and exquisite craftsmanship. From the 16th century, European traders began buying Indian textile for sale in Europe. Word tellers histories. In this, number one, Indian textiles were famous in Western markets under different names such as muslin and calico. Calico is derived from calicut. Next, printed cotton clothes called chintz, derived from chint, which is produced in Masulipatnam, Andhra Pradesh, and Bandhana. It's derived from bandhana or tie and dye. Produced in Gujarat and Rajasthan state, were ordered in bulk. Now, if we talk about the famous V patterns here, so this Patola is in Surat, Ahmedabad, and next Jamdani in Bengal. It was the famous V patterns. Now come to this Indian textiles. Indian textiles in European markets. In 1720, the British government enacted a legislation, Calico Act, banning the use of painted cotton textile tints in England. Indian designs were imitated and printed in England on while muslin or plain unbleached Indian cotton. Next, spinning jenny was invented by John Kay in 1764. The invention of the steam engine by Richard Arkwright in 1786 revolutionized cotton textile weaving. It is famous of weaving centers Bengal, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, and Calicut in this time. You can see here the map in which you can find plain white checks and stripes, chains, silk marks. You will see in your book there is a marking in the map. You can check where it is in the map. Now, who were the weavers? Weavers belong to the communities that specialized in weaving, such as Tanti, Julakas, or Momen. North India. Kai collars and devans in South India. Next, handloom weaving and other occupations associated with it provided livelihood for millions of Indians.